Hey guys, happy holidays and welcome to another Crimson Moon unboxing. Today we're going to be checking out these Warhammer Heroes by Games Workshop. Now, I know that they've done 40K ones in the past. This is actually the first time that I have ever seen them do Age of Sigmar. So I decided to pick a few of these up. I picked this one up and I picked up a secondary one. So we're going to be opening these up. We're going to check these out. And you get a random figure. So there is, looks like there's 7. Looks like there's these 3 and these 3. Now these are supposed to be all different poses compared to the ones that come in the box sets that you buy at the stores. And then there's this exclusive, I guess that's a sorcerer, but it does have a little question mark. So I'm hoping I get that one out of these boxes, but I guess we'll find out for sure. And you figure these would be at your local Warhammer store, and actually I picked these up at Target. So I'm not too sure. I guess maybe they're exclusive to Target, maybe not. I didn't really research it. I saw them there and I picked them up and I said, sure, why not? So let's go ahead and pop these puppies open and let's see what's inside. Just gonna tear that right there. Probably be better if you had a blade with you, but that's fine. Looks like I got one of the Liberators. I think that's what they're called. The ones with the hammer and the shield. Or, oh, actually, no. This is actually, that's not the Liberator. That's the one with the shield. Let's see. I might kind of see what else it comes with. Sorry, I'm pretty rusty on my Stormcast Eternal names. There we go. It's this guy here. So looks like this is a gold fan. I think that's what it says. My bad. Goltan the Relentless, and he is one of the Annihilators. Actually, I had to look that up. Don't think that I knew right off the back who it was. But these come with little instructions in order for you to fix them. And it looks like they're just push fit, so you don't need any super glue, which is really neat. You could easily just pop it open, and then just start fixing them together. These are all the different characters that you get. Collect them all and muster your warband. There is 7 to collect, which that's the one we're trying to get, but I'm actually pretty happy with the way this guy does look pretty neat. He looks pretty awesome. And let's take a look to see what the other one is and see what else we get. And if you have a Target close to you, I would say maybe go check it out and see if maybe they don't have some of these for you. You never know. I mean, I would. I mean, they look really neat. I guess we'll just take a look at this, and it looks like it's one of the guys with the spears. What are these guys called? I don't know. I guess let me look that up as well. But looks like this is Prentice Verna, and this is all the pieces that he comes with. Looks like your shield, you got your weapon, and it's got multiple arms, and he's got his little shields, or little shoulder pads, and then his base, all painted up in gold, or already coming in gold. So I guess it makes it a little easier for you to paint if you're wanting to paint. And actually, what are these? Hey, this looks cool. I didn't even notice this came with this other one. There's 2 different ones here. Let's take a look and see what this is. I did not even notice that there was, I guess maybe these are like special collector's cards. Well, if I was collecting it, it's ruined now because I just tore it all to pieces. All right, so she is a Vindicator after I looked it up. Don't think that I all of a sudden knew who it was. All right, so these are actually characters to play in Warcry. This is a special ability that you can use depending on if you roll the triples, the doubles, all that shindig that you do in the game of Warcry. And then, of course, these are your stats for the game of Warcry. So yeah, you can use this character in your games of Warcry. He has his own little special abilities here. And then his wounds characteristic, his movement, his point costs, and then his special abilities that you can use. This is really cool. They've actually done a lot more with these little mystery box sets. So now not only do they add collectability to your miniature collection, now you actually want to buy them because they're going to add more flavor to your Games of Warcry. So that is really awesome. I'm glad that Games Workshop finally did something with these mystery boxes. Mostly because that makes them a little more valuable, because that means you can actually use these miniatures in your gaming now. Yeah, you could probably have used the old ones from your 40K heroes that you've done in the past, but this time you actually do get extra stuff for your game. It's not just replacing one of the models from one of your units. Now these guys are actually going to add some sort of flavor to that game. So that's really, really cool. And also these make perfect stocking stuffers, man. If you guys find these out there, if your kids are into games, Warhammer, building models, painting models, these are perfect just to throw in their stockings. Really cool. But there you have it, guys. This is the unboxing for Warhammer Heroes. And if you have a chance to check out your local Target, see if maybe you can find some of these guys up there and pick a few up. I know I'm gonna try and collect the rest of these, and just to maybe make my warband for Warcry, just to get ready for the new box that I'm more than likely sure is gonna be coming soon. Anyways, guys, we hope that you're having a wonderful holiday. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so that way you guys can get all the latest content that we have released, and that we're going to be releasing to finish off the year. And man, just keep rolling your favorite dice and always paint your walls crimson. You guys take care. Have a good one.